Much as we would like to break away from the show from that legally nonsensical, communally divisive, but possibly political profitable, no prizes for guessing for which party concept of love jihad, it keeps rearing its ugly head again and again. The latest awfulness in Uttar Pradesh, a state which, like many BJP states, has attempted to convert this bogus right-wing fantasy into actual law by passing an ordinance against forcible conversions for marriage. And in just a week since it passed that ordinance, which has been used to arrest or disrupt multiple interfaith marriages and relationships. A day ago, the police stepped in to break up a marriage between a Hindu-Muslim couple, citing the ordinance. Even though, as my colleague Alok Pandey reports, the ordinance may not apply in this case, leaving the couple who said they got married through mutual consent why the police stepped in. Sure enough, behind the police's overreaction is a fringe Hindutva group which claims links to the BJP.
It's at this wedding venue in Lucknow where an interfaith marriage was about to take place when it was stopped by the local police. This despite the free will of a 22-year-old Hindu woman, a 24-year-old Muslim man and the consent of their families. The Lucknow police claim they acted because of a new week-old UP government ordinance against unlawful conversion.
दोनों पक्षों को थाने पर बुलाया गया था। उनको जो नवीनतम उत्तर प्रदेश विधि विरुद्ध धर्मांतरण अध्यादेश है उसके बारे में उनको बताया गया। उसकी एक प्रति भी उनको उपलब्ध कराई गई, जिस पर दोनों पक्षों ने लिखित सहमति दिया।
But it's unclear how this wedding falls under the ordinance. The ordinance says any person converting needs to inform the district magistrate 2 months in advance, after which the DM will conduct his or her inquiry into the real reasons for the conversion. Except in this case, the families of both the man and the woman told us neither was converting. They were holding, in fact, a multi-faith religious ceremony where each would read out vows of the other religion. The family of both the man and the woman live in a congested locality in South Lucknow, around 15 to 20 kilometers from the center. They have requested us not to identify them or to identify the specific colony in which they live. However, they spoke to me off camera and they said that the man and the woman knew each other since school days. They were in love with each other and that's why they had decided to get married. The family say they cannot understand why somebody, a third party, has interfered in what was clearly a family affair. The police action came after a written complaint by this man, KD Sharma, the self-styled national president of a little-known outfit, the Rashtriya Yuva Vahini. The Rashtriya Yuva Vahini that claims to be associated with the ruling BJP. एक कहावत है, आपने तो सुनी होगी, आप लोकल हैं, कि मियाँ बीवी राजी तो क्या करेगा काजी। तो आप उस भूमिका में क्यों आ गए, ये बताइए।
असल में हम उस भूमिका में नहीं आए, हम इस भूमिका के तहत इस पे आना पड़ा हमको कि यदि ये पहले से एक दूसरे के जानने वाले थे तो इन्होंने लोगों को फॉलो नहीं किया।
ये तो आप बिना एक तथ्य की बात कर रहे हैं। देखिए, आप ही की गली के लोग हैं, बहुत अमीर तो है नहीं, एक दूसरे को भाई स्कूल से जानते हैं, ऐसा उन्हीं के परिवार वाले कह रहे हैं। एक दूसरे स्कूल से जाते हैं, प्यार है, इसमें कोई फोर्सेबल कन्वर्शन की बात तो है नहीं, कोई कोअर्जन की बात तो दिख नहीं रही है। ये तो आप भी मानेंगे, आप खुद ही कह रहे हैं कि भाई कोई कोअर्जन की बात नहीं है।
बिल्कुल नहीं है।
तो फिर एक तरह से भाई ये तो वही बात हुई ना कि आपने उनको लाइमलाइट में ला दिया, अब लोग उनसे सवाल कर रहे हैं, उनके रहन सहन, उनके परिवारों पे सवाल उठ रहे हैं, तो आपको लगता नहीं है गलत है?
नहीं, हम इसमें बिल्कुल गलत नहीं है। हमने वही किया है जो होना चाहिए था। यदि जिलाधिकारी की परमिशन होती तो हम कोई नहीं थे।
Since Uttar Pradesh's new unlawful conversion law that places the burden of proof on the person converting came into force, there have been 3 FIRs by the cops. The latest one in eastern UP's Mau, where 14 people from a Muslim man's family have been booked for allegedly kidnapping a Hindu woman for marriage. In Lucknow with Dinesh Pratap Singh, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.